How to restore purchases in Bluey Let's Play. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your purchase in Bluey. If you have seen paid content locked again after reinstalling Bluey Let's Play or switching device, then you won't have to pay again if you're already subscribed. So here is how to restore your purchases so that you can get your subscription content back. Launch open Bluey application on your device. Once you're inside this page, go to the upper right corner and tap on Store. You'll then be able to see this Unlock Everything option. Right underneath it at the bottom left, you'll find the Restore Purchase button. Tap on it. After you tap on that, if there is a purchase already made from your account, you'll be able to restore your purchase right away. This button will basically tell the game to ask, does this account own a subscription? And if yes, it will restore your subscription right away. Always use the same account you originally purchased with. Subscription can also be managed and cancelled from the App Store or Google Play subscription menus. Restoring does not usually cost extra. If the store recognizes the purchase, you won't be charged again. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.